tell you some things about animals that you might not know.
My pet, how I love her, my pet. Speaking of her, say I bet there's nobody like my pet. Why pet with another, my pet, pet's no other, and I pet with nobody but my pet.
What do animals need to survive? They need sleep, water, food, exercise, and love. And sometimes medical care. If I can take care of myself, I can take care of animals. What kind of animals do you like to take care of? Ducks, puppies, baby birds, hermit crabs, and fish. Dogs. I fed a cheetah before and I loved it. Birds, puppies, hermit crabs, snakes. I like to take care of cats and kittens. Puppies! Dogs.
A little bird told me that you love me.
That you love me,
And I believe that you do.
I believe.
This little bird told me I was falling,
Really falling,
falling for no one but
no
you.
one but you.
There's no use denying I'm
Baby birds!
all the boys.
What should I do when I find a baby bird? Best thing to do when you find a baby bird is to do nothing. Leave it alone. The parents are probably close by and feeding it. A nestling is a baby bird that has no feathers, but it can sometimes have a little bit of feathers. If you find one on the ground, then you should find its nest to put it back in. If you can't find its nest, put it in a small box with holes in it and hang it on a tree. And then wash your hands and leave it alone. It's not true that birds will abandon their babies when they smell humans, because birds have a poor sense of smell. A fledgling is a baby bird that has all of its feathers. Often, fledgling birds leave their nest before they can fly. This is normal, but they end up on the ground. The parents know where it is, and you must leave it alone. Remember that it's against the law to take a wild bird to your home unless you have a special license.
It's Doghouse Boogie.
Doghouse boogie,
It's Doghouse Boogie.
doghouse boogie.
Everybody's doing the Doghouse Boogie now. Now I know a woman, she's 82. I ain't found a thing that she can't do about the Doghouse Boogie.
The doghouse boogie,
About the Doghouse Boogie.
the doghouse boogie.
Everybody's doing the Doghouse.
Dog tips! What are some things I should know about dogs? Do not give your dog grapes, grape juice, or raisins. Also, don't give your dogs chocolate, chicken bones, or moldy foods. These can be harmful for your dog. Garlic does not get rid of fleas, and it is harmful for your dog. Did you know you have to brush your dog's teeth once a week? If it keeps having bad breath, it'll be a clue about the dog's health. If the dog has other sickness, it has to go to the vet. If your dog has a dry nose, it doesn't mean it's sick. That's a myth. If your dog eats some grass, that doesn't mean it's sick either. If it has a runny nose for a few days, it definitely means it's sick. If a dog is wagging its tail, it's not always happy, you know. The dog might be afraid, frightened, or mad. Don't think if you can pet a dog if its tail's wagging. You should not pet a dog without permission.
How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? Doggies for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. If he has a dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggy will have a good home. How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that doggy is for sale.